Welcome to the Entrance project and platform. Entrance offers a common and legitimate European matchmaking platform and complementary offline services designed to mobilize financial resources to accelerate the market access and scale up of first-of-a-kind sustainable transport solutions. From the project website, you can easily log in or sign up for the platform using the buttons in the top right. If you're signing up for the first time, you'll first see a module guiding you to which type of users we're expecting on the Entrance platform. These include potential buyers from the public and private sectors of transport and mobility solutions, the various solution providers who are providing technologies, products, and services in these areas, as well as the public and private organizations providing different funding programs and financing opportunities for transport and mobility innovations towards achieving sustainability and carbon goals. To create a new user profile, simply provide your name, email, and a password, and agree to the Entrance legal notices, and click Register to sign up for your account. Or if you're logging in, simply use your credentials that you've already established to be able to access the platform. The first page you'll be brought to upon logging in is your user dashboard. Using the guidance that pops up, you'll be able to walk through the main areas of the dashboard. First, there are many widgets on the dashboard, each having different settings and opportunities for you to make the most of the platform. The news feed in the center is where all information about your matches, as well as other platform activities, will be displayed. Finally, and very importantly, be sure to edit your matchmaking preferences as one of the first steps you do when you sign up for the platform or access your account for the first time. To edit your matchmaking preferences, click the button that will lead you to the section of your profile where you can specify this. Here you'll want to indicate which sectors of transport and which solution types you're most interested in, both at a first level as well as indicating specific subtypes. This will help us to provide more specific matches to you based on your preferences. You can also indicate which type of organizations you want to receive information and matches about. These could include any organization from the supply, demand, and finance triangle of Entrance. Moving back to your user dashboard, it's also very important that you set up an organization profile in order to be able to receive matches. You can do so from the widget just below the user profile widget on the left-hand side of the dashboard. Finally, you can also use the user dashboard to manage any and all assets you might have on Entrance. These can include best practices for how various solutions are implemented in real life, an advertisement for your solutions if you're a solution provider of innovative technologies, products, and services for the transport and mobility sectors, as well as various opportunities for the demand users on Entrance, including the opportunity to showcase your purchase aggregation request if you're searching for other potential buyers to join with you for procurement, as well as the opportunity to add replacement plans, indicating to suppliers when you might be expecting to purchase different technologies and solutions in the future. Any type of user can also view personalized content, including grants and tenders that might match your preferences based on the matchmaking preferences you indicated in your profile. Any organizations that you follow will also appear here on the right-hand side of your dashboard. Now, moving on to the rest of the platform, the various demand, supply, and finance organizations are highlighted in the tabs on this main navigation level. To show you an example, if you click on demand, you'd quickly be able to see all organizations that have indicated that they are potential buyers of transport solutions. There are also various resources under each of these tabs that are specific to each sector, and we encourage you to explore these throughout the platform. Also very important to the platform is the Knowledge Hub. Here you'll be able to quickly access the best practices of real-life examples of deployments of innovative transport and mobility solutions, information about various legislation from the EU relevant to transport and mobility, collaboration documents to support processes such as purchase aggregation, frequently asked questions about the Entrance platform, as well as various training materials, including this recording. Finally, if you access the networks area of the platform, you can learn more about our project partners in Entrance, as well as the various partner platforms offering complementary services and opportunities for the Entrance network. Thanks for watching, and if you have any questions, please feel free to contact us using the contact form on the Entrance Project website. We'd be happy to hear from you with your feedback or any questions that you have about the project.